Leetcode medium problem 2438. Range product queries of powers. First, we need an array of powers of 2. Say, for example, this 15. We can convert it to 1111, which is 1248. Which is based on the bit of 0, 1 or 0 in their number binary. And the second thing is we want to get the range product of this array. Instead of we do the multiplication, we can convert it into addition by saving the array in the format of the power of 2 instead of the real number. Say if we want to multiply 4 and 8, which gonna be 32, we can save this array in the format of 0, 1, 2, 3. In 2 plus 3 equals to 5. 2 to the power of 5 is 32. This is how we convert the multiplication into addition.